Hey guys, welcome back to DeAnn Creates, where I create really cool crafts, home decor, and DIY projects without spending a lot of money. Today, I'm going to show you how I recreated this colorful artwork from Pottery Kids at a fraction of the cost. So let's jump right in so I can show you how I did it. The first thing I did was I opened my 8x10 frame and measured the cardboard that came in the back of the frame. This measurement came out to 9 3/8 inches by 11 3/8 inches. So I took 2 white cardstock sheets of paper and cut them both down to that measurement. You can either do this with a paper trimmer or you can use a Cricut machine. With the second sheet of paper, I used my Cricut machine to cut a big heart in the center of the paper. Then I took the sheet of paper with the heart cut in it and put it on top of the sheet of paper that didn't have a heart in it. I lined them up perfectly and I traced that heart onto the sheet of paper. Then I took 7 different color sheets of paper and I put them in the order that I wanted. I just wanted to make sure that I didn't have any similar colors next to each other. I turned the papers horizontally and then I cut a strip from each paper. The strips were about a 1/2 inch wide and 8 1/2 inches long. Then I glued each strip onto the paper. I wanted to make sure that each strip went past the top of the heart and past the bottom of the heart. I glued them side by side and I made sure that they were touching each other. The important thing is to make sure that there is no space between each strip of paper. After I finished the 7 strips, I kept repeating the same color pattern until the whole heart was completely covered. If you don't want to use construction paper, you can probably recreate this same look using different color washi tapes. This project looks so great in a little girl's room. However, if you wanted to customize it, you can change the color of the papers that you use to make it for a boy, or you can change the shape that you use. You don't have to use a heart. You can use pretty much anything. You can make it bigger. Just have fun with it and make it whatever you want. Then I took the paper with the heart cut out of it and I put it on top of the paper with the strips in it. Then I took both papers and put them back into the frame. You do not need to put the mat back in the frame. I put the frame back together and that was it. Another simple and fun and easy project. And the best part is it looks so much like the Pottery Barn Kids art and we only spent a fraction of the cost. This is a brand new channel, so if you like this video, then hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and leave me a comment below. Or also, if you have any ideas for something you'd like me to recreate, leave that in the comment section too. You can check out my website at DeAnnCreates.com. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and don't forget to come back next week because you never know what I'll be creating next. Bye guys!